Now let us discuss reductions of carbonyl compounds. Now what is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogens or removal of oxygens. The another definition is to gaining of electrons. In reduction, the double bond is turns to single bond. That means unsaturated compounds is turns to saturated compounds. In the syllabus, number of reactions is available. Now let us discuss reaction with lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride. This lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride gives hydronium ion. That means H minus ion atom. Now this H minus is acting as strong nucleophile. This H minus is acting as strong nucleophile. Now when carbonyl compound is treated with lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride to forms alcohols. Now aldehydes is turns to primary alcohols in the presence of lithium aluminium hydrides, and ketones to secondary alcohols in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydrides. Acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride. Now this one bond is involving in reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogens. Two hydrogens are adding. In one bond is involving in reaction. Two hydrogens are adding. The product is CH3 and C and OH and also H and H. Now you take acetaldehyde is treated with lithium aluminium hydride to form primary alcohol. That name is ethanol. You take ketone. Now ketone is treated with lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride. Now C double bond O one bond is involving in reaction by the addition of two hydrogens. That ketone is turns to secondary alcohol. CH3 and C, OH and H, CH3. Now what is this? Secondary alcohol. The name is isopropanol. The another reductions of carbonyl compounds is reaction is MPV reduction. That MPV reduction means Mervyn, owner of Verley reduction. MPV reduction. In MPV reduction, carbonyl compounds is turns to alcohols by using isopropanols and in the presence of aluminium isopropoxide. And carbonyl compounds is treated with isopropanol in presence of aluminium isopropoxide in presence of acidic medium. The product is alcohols and the byproduct is propanol. In reaction base, you take ketone. The ketone is treated with isopropanol. Isopropanol structure is CH3, COH and CH3. These are the isopropanol structure in aluminium in the presence of aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium OCH CH3 twice and 3. Aluminium isopropoxide in the presence of acidic medium to form alcohols. The ketone is turns to secondary alcohols and the byproduct is propanol. The product of alcohols is depending on the reactant. Now you take aldehyde, we observe primary alcohols. When you take ketone, we observe secondary alcohols. Now write suitable mechanism of MPV reduction. Let us take the reactant, the general ketone structure. R, C double bond O, R dash. These are the reactant of MPV. Now this ketone is treated with aluminium isopropoxide. Now write the mechanical structure of aluminium isopropoxide. And O, CH, CH3 and CH3 and again O, CH, CH3 and CH3. And listen, aluminium having one empty orbitals. And also this oxygen having two lone pairs of electrons. One lone pair of electrons is to abstracting these empty orbitals. The new bond is formed between oxygen and aluminium. And valence of aluminium is +4. These are unstable because the stable valence of aluminium is +3 and +5. Immediately this OL bond is shifts towards OC bond. Then carbon valence is +4, again unstable. Then CH bond is shifts to carbon in the formation of hydronium ion. You know that hydronium ion is acting as nucleophile. This nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom. Immediately this double bond shifted to oxygen side. Now these are involving in cyclic mechanism. Again you will discuss the new bond is formed in between oxygen and aluminium. These are in first step. And again this aluminium oxygen is bond shifts towards oxygen and carbon. These are second step. Then immediately hydronium ion are eliminated. This hydronium ion is acting as strong nucleophile. This nucleophile is attacking at or adding at partially positive charge carbon atom. These are third step. Now this double bond is shifted towards oxygen side. Now these are fourth step. Now the product is, you write R, C and double bond is converted to single bond O and also one R dash and this carbon is bonding with H. And listen, this oxygen is new bond between aluminium. New bond is forms in between aluminium and oxygen. The oxygen is bonding with aluminium. Now aluminium having two isopropoxides, O, CH and CH3 twice and another one O, CH and CH3 twice. The byproduct is O, the byproduct is propanol. Again, this compound is involving or treated with isopropanol CH3, C, OH and H and CH3. In this one, this OAl bond is involving in reaction. Now this OL bond is involving reaction in by treating with isopropanol. In ionization of isopropanol is H plus and O minus. Now this H plus is adding at electronegativity atom of oxygen. This O minus is adding at aluminium. Now the product is R, C, OH and R dash plus the byproduct is aluminium. Aluminium is bonding with O, CH, CH3 twice and also O, CH, CH3 twice and 4 CH3 twice. Now we observe aluminum isopropoxide without any loss. Now you take ketone. Now ketone is turns to secondary alcohol in the presence of isopropanol and aluminum isopropoxide. These are the MPV reduction. Now you will discuss another reduction of carbonyl compound reaction is Clemmensen